Sigma has introduced a bold new chapter in its camera lineup, with the launch of the Sigma BF, a full-frame mirrorless camera. Designed with a minimalist approach and built for effortless one-finger operation. This innovative device, set to hit the shelves in April, with a price tag of $1,999, marks a significant departure from Sigma's previous DP series. And it's poised to make a strong impression on photographers seeking simplicity without compromising performance. In an era where smartphones dominate everyday photography, Sigma's CEO, Kazuto Yamaki, recognized a gap in the market for a dedicated camera that suits daily use. A tool that is not overwhelming but encourages creative expression. Yamaki highlights the motivation behind the BF, saying, "Modern digital cameras often aren't suited for frequent, casual use. We aim to create a compact, simple system that appeals to the creative spirit." Crafted from a single block of aluminum, the Sigma BF exudes a premium feel with its solid build and smooth anodized finish. The manufacturing process takes over 7 hours to complete, ensuring exceptional durability without a single visible screw disrupting the sleek exterior. Measuring 120.1 by 7.8 by 36.8 mm and weighing just 388 grams. The BF is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry for street photography or casual shooting. One of the most notable design choices is the omission of an SD card slot. Instead, Sigma has integrated a generous 230 GB of internal storage. A rare feature for a camera in this category. This internal memory eliminates the hassle of swapping cards and simplifies file management, which fits perfectly with the camera's minimalist ethos. The user interface is stripped back to the essentials, featuring a single control dial and 3 buttons. Apart from the shutter release, every other control can be operated with the thumb. Aided by haptic feedback technology to ensure precision, this system reduces distractions and enables photographers to focus on capturing the moment. Additionally, the live view display offers an optional clean mode, which removes all on-screen data for an immersive, distraction-free shooting experience. Color rendition is another area where the Sigma BF shines. It offers multiple JPEG color profiles, including rich, which boosts blues and saturation for vibrant, eye-catching images, and calm, which delivers softer tones suitable for portraits or more subtle, elegant photos. These profiles cater to photographers who prefer to shoot JPEGs straight out of the camera, providing creative options without the need for post-processing. To complement the launch of the BF, Sigma also unveiled 2 new lenses designed to push creative boundaries while maintaining versatility. The first is a 300 to 600 mm f4 telephoto zoom lens that offers optical performance comparable to a prime 600 mm lens but with much greater portability. Weighing in at 3,985 grams, this lens includes an advanced optical image stabilization system, capable of compensating up to 5.5 stops at 600 mm. A critical feature for handheld shooting at such extreme focal lengths. Additionally, it supports drop-in filters, allowing for enhanced creative control. This lens will be available starting in April at a price of $5,999. And will support both L-mount and E-mount systems. The second lens is a groundbreaking 16 to 300 mm f3.5 to 6.7 zoom, which claims the title of the world's first mirrorless lens to offer an 18.8x optical zoom range. Designed for APS-C sensors, it covers an equivalent focal range of 24 to 400 mm on full frame. The lens features optical stabilization rated up to 6 stops at the wide end and 4.5 stops at the telephoto end, ensuring sharp images across its zoom range. Compact in size at just 121.4 mm in length and weighing 615 grams for the L-mount version. This lens is perfect for photographers seeking an all-in-one solution that balances reach with portability. It is priced at $699 and will support Canon RF, L-mount, E-mount, and Fujifilm X-mount mounts. Beyond the products themselves, Sigma also announced a refreshed brand identity, along with the establishment of the Sigma Foundation, an organization dedicated to promoting photographic culture and supporting the creative community. At the launch event held at Sigma's headquarters in Japan, CEO Kazuto Yamaki shared personal reflections on carrying forward the legacy of his father, the company's founder, and emphasized the philosophy that technology is also a form of art. Looking forward, Yamaki expressed his vision for the foundation as part of our commitment to the arts. We are preparing to launch the Sigma Foundation, which will contribute to the growth and development of photographic culture worldwide. In summary, the Sigma BF represents a bold vision for a modern camera that prioritizes simplicity, robust performance, and creative freedom. Its minimalist design, massive internal storage, and intuitive interface redefine what a daily use camera can be. Paired with two versatile lenses, Sigma is not only providing tools, but also fostering a broader appreciation for photography through its new foundation. The BF's launch is set for April, and while priced at $1,999, it offers unique value for photographers wanting a capable yet accessible, full-frame system that encourages creativity without complexity. For those intrigued by innovation in camera design and passionate about photography as an art form, the Sigma BF promises to be a compelling choice.